Hello, welcome to Lady Dolphin's channel. Lady Dolphin of Detroit. So, let's see. I called tail here to Buffalo Wild Wings because I totally forgot that on Tuesdays is half off chicken wings at Buffalo Wild Wings. I told her I wanted 10 pieces of chicken, and this is much more than 10 pieces of chicken, y'all. So this right here is the garlic parmesan wings. Give y'all an aerial view, and then this over here is the dry rub lemon pepper wings. So you can actually see the lemon and the pepper. Along with the garlic parmesan wings, and then I had to get a drink. This is like a tequila sunrise or something with a, then they gave me the rest of it. And it has like watermelon, Red Bull in it. So, the tequila bull or whatever it's called. I should have tried to remember. And then of course I got ranch dressing for different purposes, of course. So here. They getting ready to close, y'all. So I'm gonna have to scarf this down. I used to work, well, I still kinda work every now and then in catering. But I gotta scarf this down. But I have my own personal answer to another channel creator's video that I saw earlier. I gotta taste these wings, so I gotta get my thing together. So this is the garlic parmesan wing dipped in ranch dressing. This is good. And don't forget what I told y'all. Download the app to these places. Buffalo Wild Wings. That is good. Then we have the lemon and pepper wing. Hey, now look at that pepper on there. It's just literally dried lemon and pepper. So good. And dip them into some homemade ranch dressing, y'all. Hold on. Let me see if I can't sit this where y'all can't help but to see it. Alright. I wish I had like a prop to actually stand them wings up so that y'all can see it. Hold on. So I can actually do it. I had to get a nice little picture for the thumbnail. So please y'all like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Okay. So as I start these chicken wings down before they come at me for the umpteenth time, if I need anything, so I know that they're ready to go. I mean, there's maybe like 15 people in this bar because it's not that many people here. It feels like there's way more, but it's not. This is good. And I always tell them not to, please don't cook mine to where, extra hard. I don't like it cooked like that. I mean, to each his own. But no thank you for me. We got the whole table, y'all, sitting in the middle of the floor, knocking these chicken wings off. Looking like I'm talking to myself in front of everybody. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It'll be on. Ooh, it's so good, and the chicken is juicy. Yeah, everything is like half off right now. You already know how I am. I don't like nothing spicy. With this amount of black pepper on here, I can definitely feel it on my tongue, y'all. This is so good.
Because there was a misunderstanding and everything, I took $10 off your bill so that you didn't have to pay it.
I do appreciate you.
Of course, yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes, of course.
Here, because I know you guys are trying to go home.
I'm closing. I have so much to clean.
You sure? I didn't
I
want
mean,
to
I
hold
can
you
take
up.
it. I can, but it's up. Like I can take it right now, but it's up to you. Take it.
Yeah. They took $10 off my bill. That was already cheap. All right. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna wait till she come back, and then I'm gonna start going off into this other. I don't know what to call her, a blogger. She's not really a mukbanger. Thank you. I do appreciate you.
Of course. Have a great night. Okay.
Thank you. I appreciate it. So I just wish I could like prop that up where I could just constantly show it. But y'all, Adrian Slaves, let's get into it. So I wanted to answer some questions for her. And just understand I'm personally speaking on how I personally see and see things or hear things that she's saying. And then I'm gonna comment. So one video I saw her on one particular day, she's like, y'all can't twerk like me. Another video, after she went and got her, braids in, which was kind of cute. And she had to like twist in the front and the curls in the back. Then you go off and Adrian, I'm talking to you, that you go off and you start talking about other women. This person is ugly, that person is ugly. And then people want to be with y'all, be like you. Not only they want to be like you, but then y'all can't twerk like me. Let me just answer some of those questions. From my point of view. Girl, not only are they not trying to be like you, but they using you and looking at you as pure entertainment. Let me just start there. You talk so highly of your hair, but I'm gonna just be honest with you. I mean, and then you talking about how people is looking ugly now that you done went and got your hair done. And it's, I don't know. We all do things to enhance ourselves. But to tear another woman down to make you look good is just sickening. So I thought about a fun, fabulous way to give Adrian a little bit of taste of what she's been dishing out to other people so she can see how it would feel. So let's go.
Every time I step on the pitch, I'm trying to better myself. And I'm trying to be greater than myself.
Girl, that's for the hair. I gave it to you. Them twisties in the front. With the curls in the back. I had that hairstyle when I went to either on a cruise one year or I think to New Orleans. I think it was to New Orleans. I had the same hairstyle. And not one time did I look down on myself because I had that hairstyle. And not down on myself, but other women around me. I mean, because to each his own. Meanwhile, let's look at your hair, really. I mean, until you just got these twists in your hair, I mean, you was looking like the broke edition of B Love's Life. You look like the sister that was a has-been and is a has-been. And then, do we have time to stand up and baby girl and be twerking and stuff like that? My guess is, not again, I can't speak for anybody, but probably not. Some of us is literally out here enjoying the fruits of our wombs. And when I say that, I mean people like grandkids or kids. Some people haven't even gotten to grandkids yet, but they're just their kids. And you enjoying staying around on other people's couches and stuff instead of turning your life around. And then the second that God gives you a small step, you look back on the people behind you, and then you make fun of them. You talk about, their appearance and everything else. When all I see is a woman that is homeless, gets put out everywhere she goes, including by her own family house. Look like you actually just copying off your sister. And so far as those natural twists that you had in your hair, let's be honest with each other. The days that you was actually hot girl, them things shriveled up like wet pubic hair. I'm just saying, not only that, but I saw a video of you twerking in the kitchen one morning, and talking about your overall look and, your twerk, and then you started twerking. And it's like, girl, Bob, we got things to do. We got houses to take care of, grandkids and kids to look after, and so if you think that twerking is the best that you have and that's all that you have at 51 years old, you mean to tell me that you haven't, developed any smarts about yourself or any life skills, but you know how to twerk. So you can get online and say that I'm ugly or whatever, and I'll take that. Because if being ugly means that I can afford my rent and I can afford the little things I got going on in my life without the help of other people, then so be it. And especially not hanging and swinging off tailcoats of, your own sister. And not only that, but then there's times that without using her name, I believe, I can just be wrong, that when you would get things done to your hair, looking at her hair, you be making, some people have, bald spots or is balding. And you are too. The cutest that I've seen your hair is that look that you just had with the twisties with all the little curls. Don't look around at the people that should be an inspiration to you, and then make fun of them. Well, especially your own family members. Do you ever think that you're probably in that situation because you done literally closed all the doors and locked them shut behind you when it comes to your friends and family? Because, if you sit there and talking about your family to us, your mama can't cook, and she upset you about the greens, and then I hear you talking about some Virgos want perfection. How about perfection when you got your own place? The real perfection ain't gonna start until you get that covered. We'll stop allowing these men to treat you like a classroom, an elementary classroom doorknob where everybody done took a turn. And more than once. And then I think I actually seen that you actually made a comment at one point talking about that a man got to do this and that in order to be in a relationship with you. Girl, wow. How you gonna get on video and say something stupid like that when you can't supply your own needs in your own life? When you even got room for a dude. And that thing where you literally monkey barred and seesaw from one relationship to another, and in a matter of 24 hours you was with one dude and with another. No. Again, baby, nobody try to be like you. Nobody try to be like you. No. Again, we got things to do. Things to do. Jobs to go to. Then how are those beggars gonna be choosers? Like, they give you a job with some hours, then you talking about at first that you weren't gonna go in on Saturdays. Now you going in on Saturdays. You homeless. You supposed to be taking any and everything that they have to offer. Period and point blank. Because in my mind, until you are in your own place, you ain't got room to be comfortable. Period. I ain't full. Let's be honest with each other, Adrian. I started to go on your page and play all of this. But I knew you was going to delete me. I mean, you can really take some life lessons from your sister. A woman that has had the same husband for how many years? 2 kids, a beautiful family. A stable home and environment is what she created for herself and her family. Meanwhile, you don't have a home to go to. Did you see them highly expensive cars that her husband just purchased all online? I know you had to see it. As you would say, I know you was bushwatching. But girl, do something different outside of just twerking. Because you're pure entertainment. And hopefully a bunch of these young girls that's walking around out here thinking that all they have to do is lay on their back and be a girl actress to some dude out here. Hopefully they're watching your videos as to what not to do and how not to keep a man. Period. You have the mentality of a 23-year-old person with the waistline of a 30-something-year-old person in the face of a 60-year-old person, especially with them teeth. Hopefully that they actually have dental plan with your job, baby girl. Hopefully. Because when you eat, it look like you ain't got no top row. I'm just saying. Always look around your life and see how you can build up another sister like you that could be down. But wait. Then I turned the radio and TVs off. Then I turned the radios and TVs off. Good. I am full. That is all I wanted. I just wanted to share my opinion about Adrian slaves No, baby girl, no one wants to be like you. We just looking at you and laughing at you because there's no growth in between the time you were 16 till now, aside from them BBLs that you was getting. Meanwhile, that looks weird when your arms look like swings. So, hopefully I didn't go in too hard. I wasn't really trying to, you know. But to give you a PTO, a little bit of your own, taste of your own medicine is what you really deserve. Hopefully you got it. Okay, you guys, we're gonna order a box. I drank as much, ate as much as I could. I'm gonna take the rest of this with me. I don't know why, because I'm probably not going to eat it, especially once it gets cold. But you guys have a wonderful day. And Adrian, stop twerking and find something real to do with yourself, baby girl. Bye-bye.